Why do you struggle with discipline or self-discipline? Today, let's try to answer that question. The Oxford Dictionary defines discipline as the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior using punishment to correct disobedience. But the word itself tells a different story. See, discipline evolves from the word disciple, which means someone who is willing to learn. And the process of learning is what discipline is. And in this insight lies the key reason why we struggle with self discipline. Think about it. When are you most willing to learn? When you're interested in the subject? When you want to learn it for the sake of pure understanding? And that's when you keep coming back to it over and over again, and you keep emptying your cup of all the information and knowledge that's useless and keep filling it up with useful knowledge. And you do this on loop without even being forced. It's just so much fun, right? This is what we all want to do. Unfortunately, we do the exact opposite. We will go to other people and we will try to borrow their templates and their ideas and their beliefs, and we'll tell them, please tell me what to do, please tell me how to build discipline. But bro, it's not necessary that what they tell you is going to be useful or even helpful for you, because it may not align with who you really are. For instance, think about the student who loves coding. People might tell her, oh, get into content creation because there's so much money, you'll get to travel, it's very lucrative. But do you think she will find the discipline to stick to it and overcome challenges when her heart is not in it? Or do you think she will be naturally disciplined when it comes to solving programming challenges? Remember, my friend, that the easy way is to live on principles borrowed from others. But in the long term, this easy way becomes the hard way, because you lose motivation, you will procrastinate, you will feel guilty, you will lose productivity, you will feel anxious, you'll have all kinds of mental health issues. But if today you can do what is hard, in the long term, it becomes much easier. And that hard thing is to find what you love doing or enjoy doing and do it. Even if it's for just 30 minutes a day. And don't tell me you can't find 30 minutes from all your Netflixing and Instagramming. This brings me to today's wisdom, and it's from Osho. Your discipline has to come from the very heart. It has to be your own. And there is a great difference. When someone else gives you the discipline, it can never fit you. It will be like wearing somebody else's clothes. Either they will be too loose or too tight, and you will always feel a bit silly in them. So discipline as we've known it until now is about controlling others and ourselves and using punishment if needed to make people obedient, right? But now you know that discipline is not that. It truly means an eagerness to learn, and it flows naturally like water flowing downstream. This happens when you don't turn discipline into a battle of willpower, when you're trying to follow others' rules and templates and you're failing over and over again and you're feeling really crappy about yourself. Rather, it comes naturally when you follow your own curiosity. So the next time you're struggling with discipline, don't go seeking someone else's formula. Instead, ask yourself, what am I curious about? What do I really want to learn? That is when your discipline will also become effortless. And you, my friend, will become a disciple of life, building on your own principles. What is one thing you're going to change in your life after hearing this wisdom from Osho? Do leave a comment and let us all know. And until next time, namaste.